20-year-old Sade Emmanuel left her family's home to meet her boyfriend 6 years ago. She never returned. On July 27, 2018, Sade left the family's home in Mamaral but never came back. She walked to the main road, waited for a taxi to take her to Chaguanas, where she planned to meet with her boyfriend of 5 years. She was seen at a mall in Chaguanas, and then there was no trace of her. The boyfriend, who was interviewed by police, said he did not arrive at the meeting place on time and began calling her cell phone, but there was no answer. Her parents mounted a desperate search since then, but the Emmanuels say they know their daughter is no longer alive. Months after she vanished, the family learned that burned remains of a female were found in an abandoned field in Santa Flora. Her father's investigations led him to that part of the island after learning that Sade had been in a troubled relationship with a man from that area. The distressed father walked into the homicide bureau, asking to see the remains found in the field. He was allowed to peruse photographs taken at the scene. What he found was enough to solve the case, he said. He claimed that he identified his daughter's plaid skirt and other pieces of clothing at the scene, but the body was burnt beyond recognition. Police, however, said that that was not enough to determine the remains belonged to Sade and recommended a DNA test. Samples were taken from the Emmanuels, but days, weeks, and months passed and no results came. Only after the Express wrote their ordeal, the family was contacted by police and told that results were inconclusive. Another DNA test has since been conducted. This time, a sample was taken from Sade's mother and was submitted, but to date, there are still no results.